All right, well, I'm trying out something new again on these raccoons and possums. So we got some Vienna sausages here. And I got my dog-proof raccoon slash possum slash whatever, cat, whatever, some people catch everything. And then I got to put my camera back up. That's how we know when they get in the trap. And so I just cocked this one. This is the Z trap. And I'll just tell you, like I mentioned before, not all these traps are created the same. It's all about the catch lever, so I'm getting ready to do a video on that. So stay tuned for that. Let's put that in there. So there's two traps in this woods. There's one over here behind me. We just caught a possum in. And then there's this one. And I got a couple other properties that I trap. And then I got some dog food laying here that I brought some in with me a while ago, just in case that nothing got in this trap, and nothing did. So I'll just pour this juice around here a little bit, and then just put one. How long are these? I ain't never ate these things. Oh my gosh, these things don't even look that great. All right, that ought to work. Oh, that's gonna stink up the whole area good. And I'll just leave some here on the ground to get their interest. They're gonna come over here and have a feast with all this dog food, and there's still some grape jelly left from the other day. All right, let's go set this other one. I got this other one over here on this cedar tree. It's been getting rubbed by deer back in the fall, but I don't know if they'll come around and snoop it now or not. This is another Z trap. And they've got a notch in this lever here that allows the plunger to go up or down and trip it. The other one I have in the car, you can only trip it. They can only trip it one way. They have to push down on it, I think it is. No, they have to pull up on the other one. If they push down, it don't do anything. All right, so that's all we're going to use on this one, is just these sausages. So the last two catches we had were possum. I caught quite a few raccoons out of here. I'm sure there's still some left though. And before long, I'm getting ready to rig up some golf balls on these. Over here, it's not a big deal, but over my other property, the crows keep stealing my bait. So we'll get that taken care of. All right, we're off of here. Just put this camera back up and we wait and see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, well, we caught another one, but unfortunately trapping season's coming to an end, and this one here's kind of shy. Keeps going around the tree. Yeah, he was sleeping when I came up here, wasn't you? Yeah, you're gonna growl at me, but I don't think you're really a biter. So yeah, well, season's coming to an end, huh? And so you got a lot of different colors on you. Man, you got a lot. Different yellows and browns and reds. Yeah. Now you just got caught on one arm here on this one, unlike that other one we caught. Yeah. What are you thinking, huh? He's being curious. He wants to come over here. All right, well, tell him we got to get off of here. Yeah. Then I go ahead and get him out of here, and we'll see what happens this fall. Yeah. Ain't that right? Come fall? All right. See ya.